So here we are at Caledon. We're having team trucks, two-man team trucks, mini smash, figure eight, full-size cars. The team trucks is trucks, vans, junk run, everything like that. So you're getting everything from a four-door Dodge, two-door Dodge, to an 80s Ram Charger. You got the figure eight cars coming out. Looks like a nice little mini smash VW over there. Figure eight, figure eight. That one there is a Cobalt or G5 going for best decorated. Dodge products. You know, guys, these things here have been getting much more and more popular. I think these things here actually have a good future in the Derby world once people start getting them figured out. An LS powered Mustang. This one right here, because he put a V8 in it, is going to be full size. So that's going to be ran in the full-size class. How many times have you guys seen a Mustang this new going to the Derby ring? It's ran once, but it had an electrical issue. A plug broke as soon as it went into the ring. Got a Honda Fit for the mini smash. Cavalier figure eight, Cavalier figure eight. Now this car right here, I believe it's running full-size. It's a V6 Buick. Team trucks right there. He's a stand-in for another driver that couldn't make it. We got ourselves a two-door Honda over here. Another figure eight car. That's a car there that I've seen around Derby before. That's a Ford Fusion. That's like a 2010, 2009 Ford Fusion. I think these things are incredibly tough. This one looks pretty rough, rusty-wise, but got a good bumper. Some good tires, full frame. Hopefully you can keep the suspension into it. 4-cylinder V6? Full size? Mini? Nice. Oh. We've got quite a bit of cars still trying to get through tech over here. We got full-size trucks. Look at the size of the tires on the back of that truck over there. Cutlass Supreme. Another Buick over there. Look at the size of the tires on the back of that Chevy. Can you guys see that from here? Look at the size of those tires right there. Those things are huge. GMC Envoy. These things are getting pretty common up here going to the Derby ring. They don't really seem to bend, it just seems to be the suspension that takes them out of them.
Oh, thank you.
Lots of full-size team trucks here. We got Suburbans. Lots of Suburbans and Envoys and Avalanches here. These seem to be some of the best half-ton trucks. They don't have leafs, they have all these links in the back, but they seem to hold up really, really good in the back ends of these. This thing here looks like it was on fire. All the melted plastic underneath here. Looks like this one was on fire. Hopefully it does pretty good. Avalanches everywhere. Might as well be in Alaska with the amount of these avalanches. Some good tires on the back of this one. He's put them on, looks like newer regular donut, like regular rims, and then so they're set in pretty far. That's kind of smart. There's cars everywhere here. That one there looks like a figure eight car, VW. Got some other figure eight cars over here. These guys here have been running full-size rims on the back that are just fully plated. It seems to be doing pretty good with them. Lots more cars coming in. That thing looks pretty stock.
Really good turnout.
We got a Subaru over here. Some Chevys that are over fueling. There's those big honking tires again. The Envoy. yourself a Honda figure 8 guy over here. Another Envoy. Buddy, these Envoys have been coming out here in wonders. I think that thing's been ran like 5 or 6 times. They seem to be holding their own pretty damn good. So you got another Camry wagon up there. You don't see those too much anymore. Another Avalanche. This one here is a quick stock build. He's even got the factory bumper still on it. Doesn't look like any of the tires are doubled. Figure 8 car. Figure 8 Toyota Celica. These guys here are running the bigger V-treads. They seem to be doing pretty good with them, to be honest. Tahoe. Got a Caravan. Got some pretty good guys. Got some Corollas over here, some figure 8 Corollas. So this one here is a Cavalier, sorry. 4-door, Cavalier 2-door. This one here, looks like he's got his whole rear suspension plated. Smart, keeps it together. Don't actually know what this one is. I looked at it a little bit more aggressive. I think it's a GM product. Maybe Honda, no. Missing? Dodge? The frame kind of looks dodgy to me. What type of car is this one?
Ford Focus.
Ford Focus. I would not have guessed that one. I was way off on those guesses. Got ourselves, these are some fast cars over here. These guys here actually won like a year and a half ago. You got this Cavalier. He looks like he's built himself a fresh one. So he was doing really good here last year and then just dug down a little bit too deep. And then you got the Snot Rocket, Hyundai. This thing here has been around quite a bit.
4 years in Caledon.